Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and help my community grow. Today I'm going to be working on this Macaw mold, and I'm going to do a blue and gold macaw. This is going to be a wall hanging, so I have a little piece that I am going to basically embed in the resin. Blue and gold macaws have various blue shades. I've got a couple blue shades. I've got the gold. I've got the black for the beak, the feet, and the eyes. I have a green because it has just a little bit of green on its head. So I'm going to use those colors on this, and then I do have a very pale blue that I'm going to use to fill in the rest of the mold. So let's get started. Now that I have all the colors in, I'm going to put these away, and then I'm going to start mixing up the lighter color, and that'll show through all the feathers. So I'm going to have to mix several of these little mixing bowls up to fill this. I think this project would be a lot better with 2-part epoxy, but this is all I have, so let's get working on it. Now I think I'll get a couple more mixing bowls and then just do it all at once so I can pour quicker. And I hope I have enough resin. I'm at the end. So now I'm adding a top coat on here so I can add the piece for the for hanging it. Just making sure everything goes right up to the edges. Okay. Make sure there's no bubbles. Ooh. And now I'm going to place this. I'm just going to use my tweezers. I'm trying to think of where I would like it to be. Probably right about here. And then I have to make sure it's straight. And then I'll add a little more resin over these little ends, just to make sure that it's all secured. And then I'm going to cure this again for about 3 minutes. Alright, now that it's all cured, we can remove it from the mold. I see some of the black came off on there. That's okay. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Let's see if I can find a more whiter background for this. Just a piece of paper. Looks really nice. Let's move in close so you can see it close up. Turned out nice. And then this is on the back, and it's stuck on there really good. I do see a couple bubbles, but you know, that's okay. This is mainly for me, and it's going on my wall. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. In the description box below, you will find a link to my Etsy shop, which is Creations by Laurel, and you'll also find links to the supplies I used today and links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.